Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic Passat B8 owners have been begging for: navigation system upgrades. If you're tired of the clunky factory setup, want better sound, or need multi-language support for overseas drives, this video is exactly what you need. We're breaking down the best options, from factory hosts to smart Android units, so you can pick the perfect one for your ride. Let's jump in. First off, why bother upgrading your navigation? Let's be real, the stock 280 hosts that comes with most Passat B8s works, but it's far from perfect. That tiny screen makes maps impossible to read without squinting. It lags when you switch apps, and features are super limited. If you drive overseas, the language support is a joke too. Plus, sound quality is something we all overlook, but a good upgrade makes your music sound way better, turning every drive into a little concert. Trust me, upgrading is worth it. We're covering 4 main options today: the basic 280 host, the fan favorite 869 hosts, the high-end 275 series, and Android smart units. Let's start with the factory ones because they're safe, no weird glitches with your car's systems. First up, the 280 hosts. This is the standard one in most Passats. It's reliable, don't get me wrong, does navigation, Bluetooth, and plays music. It even supports a few common languages like English, German, and Spanish, so if you're in a basic region, that's fine. But the screen is only 5 inches, super low res, and it's slow when you flip between apps. If you're on a tight budget and just need something that works without fuss, the 280 is okay. But if you want more, keep watching. Next, the 869 host. This is the most popular upgrade. For a reason. It's a huge step up from the 280. The screen jumps to 8 inches, super clear, so maps are easy to read at a glance. It plays videos too, great for keeping passengers entertained on long trips. And it syncs with your car's ambient lights, making the inside feel way more premium. Connectivity is a game changer. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so no more messy cables. Now, the 275 series. This is for the tech lovers who want the best factory experience. Think top of the line features, smooth performance, and amazing sound. Now, let's switch to Android smart units. These are for anyone who wants maximum flexibility. The biggest win? Multi-language support, over 35 languages including Russian, Arabic, Portuguese. Perfect if you travel a lot or live in a multi-language area. You get access to the Google Play Store, so you can install any apps, Google Maps, Waze, Netflix, YouTube, whatever you want. Navigation works online or offline, with real-time traffic updates. Connectivity is next level. Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, 4 grams, even wireless charging on some models. We hope this guide helped you decide. Drop any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car upgrade tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.